Hi. Omni Network has started the third task in the test network, and now I'm going to show you how to do it right. All links from this video will be in my Telegram channel. Let's go. First, you need to claim some Testnet Omni tokens in Faucet. Then go to Bounce's Testnet page, connect your wallet. And select Omintestnet network. Next, select the Bounce Omni Launch Fixed Price Pool. Click Max, and place a bid. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Next, fill out the form demonstrating your participation. Enter your wallet and submit. The last step, go to the Galc site. Complete all social tasks and back after a few days after they check your participation, to claim your OAT. That's all for now. Subscribe to my Telegram and YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching.